Okay, this is Beth. This is Gay's granddaughter. And as you can see, she has what the industry is now termed anomalies in her hair and paranormal hair, what Guy Tang would call paranormal. Now, Beth is old Hollywood school. She likes those blonde bombshell. She likes her hair to look like a blonde bombshell. Unfortunately, the last few people she's been to, they had their hands in here and they've really some different formulations. So here's what I told Beth. I said, you could see where there was orange put in here, where you could see where it was skipped and everything. I think what they were trying to do is they were trying to foil over foil, trying to just retouch with foil. This is what the industry does a lot of. This is where you see a lot of white hair, a lot of damaged hair. So we're going to go back to old school. I'm going to bring her base up as light as I can with no bleach. I'm going to use a high level color and I'm going to bring that base up. She does say she does pool warm, but as you can see, her base color does look cool. It's the color that was put in before that pulls warm. So I'm going to see what happens. If it does end up pulling warm, I'm going to go through and do a toner to neutralize that. But we're going to try this step first. She just moved here. She's from Phoenix. Las Vegas, I'm sorry. Las Vegas. She was getting her nails done and saw the photo slideshow of my work. And her and Grandma came in. Now, as you can see, I was doing a test already here of a high lift blonde. And this is about 10 minutes on already. And I want to leave it on 1 hour. I could see that it's going to work. I have had several clients I've done this on. And this is a great alternative to bleach. Then we can always put low lighting in. If she chooses to want to do low lighting later. But this is a journey, and this is part one of a journey. Now you see this color blonde here, this is beautiful. I normally get this when I do the double process bleach, okay? She did say her hair was longer and was damaged so bad from what everybody's hands were doing. It was down to where?
Chest.
And they had to cut all the way up to here. So that's why I told her, let's do this journey, let's do some testing and everything first. And I can see as it's coming up, the camera may not show it, but I can see as it's coming up, this may be a great alternative that's going to work for her. So this is step one, and I'm going to keep commencing on this, and we're going to do it. Okay, so I did the high level lift, and now I'm doing a toner. We're toning it so it gets rid of any of that extra brassiness. And it's going to be a little while yet, but the high level lift did leave a lot of brass, which we figured might, but we were hoping that it might break. But she holds a lot of orange. She eats a lot of Cheetos, don't you? Don't you?
I don't, but
you eat too many Cheetos, girl.
That would make sense. That would make.
You eat too many Cheetos. So here it is, and it's toning out really nice. It's coming up really nice. It's toning really nice. It's about a level 7.5 that it's going to be. And then here's the rest of her color. And then she's going to come back and we're going to work together and we're going to do different steps to her hair. We'll do some low lighting and everything else later on, some other things. So it's a great beginning. It's coming out good. It's coming out good. Okay, so here we are with her hair, and the base is a nice ash tone color. It turned out good. I'm still blow drying it. It came out good. So she'll be back in the future very soon, and we're going to do some baby highlights through the hair.